Y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to share, well, I have to work today, but I wanted to share really quick with you all my training products because it's training products time. So now they come in this here recyclable, reusable bag or whatever. No, I do work for Sephora, and every month you get training products. Let's see what I got for the month of June. This here look, you all, I did purchase the Chanel bronzer, and it's a thumbs up for me because I watched a few videos and I don't know, for some reason I wasn't seeing the actual bronzer on people's faces, like particular skin tones. So I was just like, let me buy it myself and see what it's hitting for. I did, because with this it is buildable, so when you first put it on, you do have to build it a little bit. I feel like I got like I was able to see it. I did use this brush, but I'm not sure moving forward if I'm going to continue to use this brush, because I did swirl brush in here because, you know, I was thinking it wasn't going to show up, but y'all, it showed up. So if you was on the fence, this particular bronzer, I do highly recommend. Now I will say you will have to get the darkest, the deepest shade, which is tan deep. Just show you what it looks like. So, and I did get mine from Ulta, so just to let you know. Now onto the training products, and I am wearing a new wig, you all. I did get this wig from Love Me Hair, so if you looking to purchase some wigs, y'all, I highly recommend Love Me Hair, because y'all, their hair is the bomb. I will link that particular link down below, because y'all, every wig I got except for one, not that the wig wasn't good, it's just that I don't know how to style, because these here wigs are not like back in the day you just throw them on. Like now you gotta melt them to your scalp and do all that and pluck them and all and things like that. And I'm just kind of like self-taught, so I'm kind of like teaching myself. Every wig I have gotten so far has been 100%. Even the wig with the part and I wear long, I got from Love Me Hair. Now moving on to my training products, so I can get ready to get myself together to go to work. Yeah, we got the new what is this brand called? IS Beauty. We did get the new mascara. I'm not going to open it because I know they say once you open it, it dries out faster. This is what the product look like, and this is new to Sephora. I don't wear my real lashes a lot, but I am happy I do have mascara just in case some days I want to just wear my lashes. I did get the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I do already have this, and it's a bummer that I purchased this and we got it in training products. Maybe I'll give it to my daughter. But if you didn't know, the new setting powders you're able to refill. Like instead of purchasing the whole thing over again, all you have to do is buy the refillables, and you can just right here with this little hole, you just, I guess, somehow put something in it to push it out, and you can just purchase refills, which I really like, because you know a lot of times when it's really cute packaging and you done, it's like you gotta throw the whole thing away. Like a all over setting powder, I did use that today as well. We got this here Paula's Choice Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense, and it has SPF 30. So with me in my late 40s, that will also help. I'm excited to try this because I'm all for a eye cream. So this here is by Ole Hendrickson. It is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. I'm excited for this here eye cream. Vitamin C. So it has vitamin C, collagen, and whatever else. And hydrates, age defining, and anti-aging. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. We also got something from Sunday Riley, the Glow Brightening Vitamin C Gel Cream. Supercharge your natural radiance and delivers a non-greasy satin skin finish as vitamin C and collagen support into your skin. So yeah, this here is like a vitamin C. A Sunday Riley. I heard Beyonce uses her cream because I don't know. Like I said, I'm not big on skincare, but working at Sephora, that has changed. And one of the girls was telling me that Beyonce used Sunday Riley, and I was like, oh wow, really? Like, I didn't know. One of the products I gave her, because I was like, I'm not using it, so I had gave it to her. And I guess one of the products that I gave to her, I forgot which one it was, she was like, Beyonce uses that. Okay. And then last but not least, this particular item, this here is the Charlotte Tilbury Multi-World Superstar. Excited about this because you got a toner. Boy, you got a toner, a serum, magic cream already, and then you also have night cream. So I am excited to use this. This here is a starter kit, and it says it retails for $45. Want to try Charlotte and don't want to pay full price, I do highly recommend something like this, because I think the magic cream itself is like almost $100 to use this. So those are training products for the month of June. Like, I'm more so makeup, you know, but we kind of always get, it seems like we get more skincare than anything. So, and then I also wanted to share before I go, I got this hair from Dollar Tree, y'all. When I tell you I love this hair so much, like, oh my gosh, it was $1.25. And I am going to go to a Dollar Tree to see if I can find another one, because, oh my gosh, it feels amazing. It helps to open up your pores, like to just hydrate your skin. Not that I suffer with dry skin, but everyone can use something like this. Oh my gosh, it was $1.25. And like I said in my video about this, you don't need batteries. It's rechargeable. Gosh, it feels so good. I don't think it's disturbing my makeup, but yeah, feels so nice. That was my really quick training products for the month of June. I think July we get two sets of trainer products, one a set of clean products, and then a regular bag. Of course, I will be sharing with you all. So if you enjoyed this really quick video, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye. Forever. I wanted to purchase the Chanel bronzer, Tan Deep, which is the darkest shade. So here is the Chanel bronzer, creamy, it looks like chocolate, and like settled brushes. It is a keeper. See it, controllable if you get, so it do work. You here, Anastasia.